Hi all my Glama beauties, Glama here again. I've made a couple videos already today, so I'm kind of still wearing the same thing. They're my pajamas. I'm still in my pajamas. Yep, I'm bad. I don't feel like getting dressed. They're actually not pajamas. They're actually a swimsuit cover up thingy, so that's what I wear to bed sometimes. So anyway, today I wanted to make a tutorial on hair, frizzy hair. My hair is very frizzy, and it's not as frizzy today as it usually is, and I want to share why. But I want to show you what my hair looks like today. This is just after washing my hair and letting it dry. So it's dry, and you can see it's got some frizz. But I'm going to show you a picture in a minute that is even frizzier. See, look, this is my hair today. Sorry, getting my hair all in the camera and everything. So that's what it looks like today. Let me show you what my hair normally looks like before I started using this product. So this is what my hair has been looking like my whole life after getting out of the shower. And this is my hair dry after a few hours, and there's no shine to it. It's frizzy. Look at the edges of my hair, frizzy, frizzy, frizzy. Look, it looks dry. It looks like hay. So that's what I usually look like, and I don't really want to be seen like that, so I never go out like that. I wish I was a wash and go girl, but I'm not. And what I mean by that is I wish I could just jump in the shower and go to my appointments, or just go shopping, whatever. I can't though. I wash my hair, I have to let it dry, which takes hours because it's a lot of hair, and then I straighten it or I curl it. I usually straighten it, but I actually wouldn't mind going outside like this and letting people see me like this, except for this top part. This top part is still too fuzzy. I would probably do like a big curling iron on it just to soften that, and instead of all like that, I would probably soften that curl or straighten it completely. So I'm gonna show you why my hair looks better, and it's got some shine to it, and it's not as frizzy. Look at that, you don't see as many frizzies. See how I showed you before? There's not as many as there is in this picture. Yeah. Eek. Alright, so let me show you what I've been using. I saw a commercial. It's fairly new, at least I think it is. I've only seen it maybe 2 or 3 months ago, and I think it was J-Lo that was on the commercial. But this is what I've been using. This is what she was advertising. L'Oreal product. And so this is the L'Oreal Total Repair 5. These are all the things it promises. Right there. That's what it is. So you leave that, you shampoo your hair as normal. I even leave this on for 3 minutes just because, my hair needs as much as it can get. So, and then you use this damage erasing balm. Okay, so here's that if you want to read that. And I thought, yeah, right, it's not going to do anything for my hair. But I actually think I love this shampoo because, wow, I wouldn't be embarrassed going out like this, because to me it just looks like beachy waves. I, of course, like I said, would do something with this part, but this just looks like beachy waves in my opinion, and I like it. So I say that shampoo and erasing damaging balm thingy work. So if any of y'all have frizzy hair like me and nothing has worked, it's not going to completely take the frizzies away, but it is manageable. Still not a wash and go girl, but getting there. So I still have to straighten or curl my hair, but I just wanted to share this product with y'all because, and I normally don't do this. I don't do product reviews because nothing's worked. So I'm not going to come on here and lie. But yes, this works for me anyway. I hope it works for y'all. Go out and try it. I don't think it was that expensive either. I wish I could remember. I mean, it's not more than I don't think $6 or $8. Anyway, yeah, go out and try it if you have hair like mine. Even if it's not as bad as what you saw in that picture, and you still have a little bit of frizziness, then this would probably do wonders for you. Because if it did this for me, it would do wonders for you. So I'm just ecstatic that I have a beachy wave instead of a fuzzball. I've always said I look like a cave woman. And my hair is still big and poofy, but not as big and poofy. Alright guys, I'm just rambling now. So thank you for joining me here at Glam It Up with Glama. I love you guys. Bye my Glama beauties. Mwah!